And here's number 6 for Team Isabela.
And straight to the
Basket fires too strong.
Oops.
Nagkatulakan. Diskarte dito. Caro, wild open for 3. Bang! Bullseye!
Shot, no good.
Tip in, yes sir. Good pass at the middle. Garcia, di diskarte.
Tackle
Drag Spain, fire off the window. And in there to pick up the ball and number 7.
Water
Shot and connects. That's 2 points. And here's Caro, pass break.
to number
Red Domingo, easy basket. And here's Bukat for Team Isabela.
Bugatti stop launch.
Shot 3. Bang! 3 points, Bukat. Dito tayo ngayon sa Rizaa Regional Meet 2024 para sa laban ng Isabela at Kawayan City. Possession for Isabela, and Diego kicks out at the middle, bounce pass, the elbow shot and the lucky bounce. And his team Kawayan, number 8, fakes, kicks on the corner, pass back and the middle, and bend the bell for 3, no good. Rebound, fakes Domingo. Pass back, Bendebel, umatake off the window. And it's number 2, Bukad. Bounce pass to Manga. Number 15, on the middle, Bukad. Tosino launch 3, no good. And that's Ventura. And here's Bukad, the floater shot. Rebound, nakuha na ng Kendi. Pass break ngayon. And easy basket. And for the inbound, pass it there, launch a triple, bang! And here's Bendebel, Caro. Pass back, Bendebel, launch, pass inside, fires, that's number 11. And Bukad here. To number 11, Ventura, launch 3, bang! Nothing but. And here's number 8, Domingo. Di diskarte dito. Caro, wild open for 3. Bang! Bullseye! Bukad. Stop. Launch a 3. No good. And here's Caro. Pass break to number 8. Domingo. Easy basket. And here's Team Isabela. Number 11. Ventura. Pass to the corner. Tosino. Launch a 3. Bang! Bullseye! Domingo. Long pass there. Pass break. Fires in the friendly roll. Rebound for Ventura. Pass it there to the corner, Tosino. And here's Ventura, floater shot, no good. Tip in, yes sir. Domingo here. Caro, 4-3. Too strong, rebound, pass inside. Tackle dag dito si Saging off the window. Basket is good. For the backdoor inbound, Tosino launch a 3. In and out. Oh, saving the ball in the bucket by Bendebel to Domingo. Pass back, Bendebel. Wild open for 3. In and out. Nagkatapikan. And here's number 0. Bounce pass. Loses the ball. Saves the ball. And number 0 is there to pick up the ball. And number 7. Floater shot and connects. That's 2 points. And number 8, Domingo here. Domingo bounce pass to Bendebel, wild open for 3. Off the mark. Oh, yeah, and the miracle. Number 0 for Team Isabela. And chest pass there to Sino. Side step, fires. Ay, Haliu, pass inside. 5, Lopez. And Lopez here. Pass on the corner, open for 3. Launch, Bio. No good. And here's Team Isabela. 3 versus 2. Bounce past the corner. Binit bit lays up. And that's. And here's Lopez dribbling the ball. Number 17. Drive. Loss. Recovered. Kicks out. Bendebel launch a 3. No good. Battle for rebound. Bounce pass Lopez. Fires. Won't go. Tosino for the rebound. Attacks. fires. Yes, sir, of the glass. And here's Lopez, number 5. Launch a 3. Now good. At rebound ng Team Isabela. Nagmamadali lays up and good for 2. Last 6.9 seconds for the inbound. Bendebel. Pass it to Bio. Bio. Biglang tumira sa 3. No good. Recovered and that. Number 6 here. Sa 3. Bang! Bull. Here's Lopez. Pass into De La Cruz. De La Cruz kicks out. Corner 3. Off the mark. Oops, attacks. Nakalusot. Floater shot off the glass. Basket and 1. And Lopez here. And corner 3. No good. And it's number 6. Dire-diretso si Idol. Bounce pass inside. Ang gandang pass. Ano, look pass. Sa gitna. Number 6. Pass inside na naman. And good pass na naman. And Domingo here. Number 8. Number 43. De La Cruz. Fires off the glass. And nag-bucket. Domingo here. Dribbling the ball. Pass it to Bendebel. Attacks. Kumaldag. Floater shot of the glass. And number 2. Corner. Launch for 3. Too strong. Sacking. And Domingo. Karot. Bumangga. Tumira. Wala. And here's Bendebel. Attacking the rim. Obinecos and good for 2. To number 2. Bagud. Vince launch at 3. Tosino. Bang! Bulls up. And here's Domingo. Domingo for Team Kawayan City. And here, De La Cruz. 1 bounce and launch at 3. And it's off the mark. And it's number 6. Attacks on the middle. Pass on the corner. Binomba pa kahit walang gwardiya. And it's number 7, Caro. Dumerecho. Wala. Here you go for the inbound. Launches 3. Bang! 3 po. Bukad. Bukad here. Pass it there to Sino. Tosino attack. Side step. Kicks on the... Oop. Ang gandang pasa naman yun. Trines. Yun lang. And rebound for... And here's Bendebel. Bendebel. Oop. Dire-diretso. Rebound. Baseball pass. Tosino. Sumalida. Tumira. Binomba. Pasok yan. Pumlik. Nakuha dito at pass break ngayon. And all alone. Caro. Easy bucket. And Garcia from Team Kawayan. Launch at 3. Bang! 3 po. Number 8. Domingo dribbling the ball. Cross. And passes to number 7. Care. Caro attacks. No good. Not covered. And Bukad. Number 16. Pass back to Bukad. Bukad here. Pass inside. The connection. Libre. Luis Domingo nagmamadali. Shots. Oh. And here's Bukad for Team Isabela. Bukad stop. Launch at 3. Bang! 3 points. Bukad. 20 for Team Kawayan City. Passes to Domingo. Holding the ball. Fakes. Pass to Bendebel on the corner. 3. Bang! Not here for Team Isabela. Ginugulo ng dalawa. And here's Bukad. Long 2. Bullseye! And stop in the middle. Dribbling the ball between the legs. Take ball. Kicks out. Launch at 3. Bang! Garcia. Moving down. Crosses the mid lane. Pass inside. Naagaw ni Domingo ang bola. Natapikan na recover ni Bukad. 1 versus 2. Lays up. Rebound tip in. And there's Garcia to rebound the ball. And here's number 20. Corner 2. Bucket! And here's number 2. Bukad. Pass it inside there. Almost loses. Recovered. And here's Ventura. Kumaldag. Umatake. Fakes. Clutch. Fire. And a bucket for. And here's number 21. Drive. Side step. Lays it in. And a bucket for. Corner 3. Bang! Nothing but net. And Ventura, pass to Bukad. Bukad here. Bukad. Bukad. Pass inside the reverse layup. Yes, sir. Caro for the inbound to Baligod. Pass at the middle. Garcia, Di Discarte. Kakaldag, spins, fire off the window. And inatin. Bayan City. And here's Team Isabela. Tosino here. Loses the ball. To number 21. Ali Brent. Oop. And Ventura there for the rebound. Fade away of the window. And here's number 20. Lamug. Lamug to Caro. Wild open for 3. Bang! And here you go. Number 21. Attacks. Spades. Oop. Natapikan. And Baligod. Stop pull up Jay. Wala pa rin. Fakes. Fakes, clutch fire of the glass basket and one. And down to 1 ang kalamangan ng Team Isabela. Bumigla, tumira, wala. Battle for rebound. Here's Tosino. Attack. Oop, oh. Oy. Oy, 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 oy. And here you go. Holding the ball for Team Isabela. Here's number 7. Kakaldag dito spins. Parts of the glass and a bucket. Here's Domingo, number 8. To number 20. Lamug, pass back, Domingo. Domingo drives, kicks out. Caro, launch 3. Bang! Boom! And here's number 7. Drive, spins, fires. And here's Bukad, dribbling the ball. Bukad, di-discarte dito. On the corner. Tosino, pull up J. Basket is good. To Caro, nagmamadali, pinasa, picks, sacking, the clutch and the finish. Oop. Fires. And Ben, the ball for the inbound, Baligod, Bio. Dribbling the ball. Launch a 3-point. That's not good. Off the mark. Take over. Ben the bell. Offensive foul. And here's Bukad to Ventura, pass haliw, pass pero inaba, pasok iyan para na. Baligod. Pinunas ang sapatos, crossover move, nakalusot si Baligod, lays up, easy bucket. And here's Tosino. Pass to the middle, number 22. Bukad, haliw, pass and the finish. Bayan City. Baligod to Bio. Corner. Pass back to Bio. Bio here. Bio. Pass inside. Kumaldag. Fires. Basket and one. And the flex. For completing the 3-point play. And bucket for number. And here's number 11. Ventura. Ventura. Crossover. Natapikan. And here you go, Baligod. Pass break. Lopez, easy basket. And change favor tayo. And Bukad here. Offensive foul. And here's Baligod. To Bio. Bio here. Attacks. Spin fade away shot. And won't go. Rebound. Put back shot number 11. And 4 up by 4 and plus break ngayon. Lays up and nakabawi ng 2 points. Number 30. Kicks out. And number 11 here to number 2. Baku. For 3. No good. Rebound. Reverse layup. And that's good for 2. Number 10. Tosino. Tosino drives. Fires. No good. Rebound number 17, Bio. At nagmamadali ngayon. Bounce pass there to number 11. Pass back. Pass inside. Ang gandang pass at the connects and the finish. And it's number 21. Padre. Padre cross pass. Long to Bullseye. Pass to number 13. To number 14. And Lopez here, launch a 3-ball. Bang! Padre crosses the mid lane. He's slowly moving down. Padre to back, Bukad. Bukad stop. Pull up jet 3. No go. Tip in. Put back. 2 minutes left on the last quarter. And pinupunas ang sapatos ni Lopez. Lopez dito. Lopez attacks. Pass inside. Fires off the window and a bucket. Big. And is Bukad. Bukad discarded. Drive in the middle. Spin move. Kicks on the corner. Pass inside and the finish by Ben. And pass to Lopez. Lopez here. Pumupunas ulit ng sapatos. Tinatawag yung kasama. Lopez here. Tumatapik sa ulo. 10 seconds on the shot clock. And here's Lopez. Making this task. Kicks there. Bio attacks. Ventura. At the pass back. Ventura. Tosino. Step back. Launch 3. Bang! Tosino. Bio pa rin. Bio. Pass on to Lopez. Pass inside na libre of the window. Pass. Tosino there. Launch. Pass inside. Lost the ball. Alley-oop pass and finish. Bio there. Lopez. Pull up Jay at the free throw line and a bucket. And that's the end of the game. Congratulations, Team Kawayan City.